Hello there, Playmo pals. Welcome to this special episode on our channel. As we've recently hit 100 subscribers, a feat I thought would never happen, I wanted to do a shout out video to each and every one of those subscribers, as many YouTubers did in the early days of its popularity. It was an excuse to put up another video, but it was also a great way to recognize those viewers and thank them for their interest and loyalty. Except we have a small problem with this. It would seem that the majority of our subscribers have privatized their subscriptions, concealing their identities to even the channels they loyally follow, which is unfortunate for content creators who wish to maintain inclusiveness among their fans. But I won't argue. Privacy and peace of mind are important in today's society, especially with how easy it is to find others and keep track of their online activity. So to you guys, much respect, and a heartfelt thank you for your subscription to my channel. As for the remaining 20 I do see, guess what? You're getting a special shout out right now. Apologies in advance for any mispronounced names. There's bound to be a few. Let's get to it. Alright, thank you for watching Dinomation, Cameron, Fiella Adventures, Scotty Christian, Playmobil Moplay, Playmofully YouTube, Anthony LaChance, Eloy Salamo, Comment Please, Tina Leí, Colecciones Playmobil Alessandro, Ana Barros, L. Goss, Amy Turner, Absimiliard78, Janine Wiesner, Drake 5332, Miguel Loera, Wash Alvarez, RAF Aquaria, Last Crossroads, Flora Flower, Daniel Staples 7288, Corini, Karen Birsch, Patricia Frazier 6040, Lion Gotcha Emily Haskins, Critter Kingsford, Daniel Futa, Rosa Ramos, Eric DeRitter, and finally, for now, El Mundo Click. Wow guys, this was a huge milestone for this channel. I wish I could have thanked all of you, but you know who you are. I thank you again from the bottom of my heart for making it all happen. This video is long overdue since viewership increased a bit after we hit the 100 subscriber mark. I only hope I can continue to provide fun and informative videos showcasing these phenomenal toys full of color, smiles, and wonderment to you. We are taking the rest of the month off as I recover from surgery, but anything can happen. Something might show up in your feed when you least expect it. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet for more Playmobil content, and follow us on Instagram. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.